I like to plan because I know I'm happy to plan something and it makes me happy to anticipate the people's happiness. Sometimes I start to cook in the morning, even at 7 a.m. As much as I like to plan a meal and to share it with friends, I think when I do something that's not planned, it's super good too. But I prefer everybody to be happy around the table and laugh and, and if the food matters too much, then sometimes you lose something about the pleasure to be together. Arte means first cooked with good produce. I mean, it can be in compote, it can be soups, it can be raw. But yes, healthy for me is you have everything you need in all the nutriments you need in the food.